Hey guys, we are
105 Degrees.
I'm Jess.
I'm Vicky.
I'm Jennifer, and today we're reacting to KNK's Rain.
Whoa.
I'm really excited. I'm June.
Sorry, I don't know. I knew the numbers.
I got you.
June.
Yes. Good job.
I know that, okay?
I just know they're really tall.
They are.
Hey June.
Yep.
You June.
Damn.
Yep.
The rain. I feel it.
He's so good looking,
I
dude.
know.
Oh. Dude, he looked like he could be an actor or something.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Damn, this rain though.
It's emo, perfect for
I know.
This is like going back to like 2012 with the fucking rain and
Oh.
water.
Who looks so good? He's like my bias director.
Oh.
Oh my god. Where's Insa?
I know, right?
Oh. Oh, there he is. Oh my god.
Ooh. I love the umbrellas in the background.
The background is probably like Chinese.
You're like, oh, keep going.
There's just a piano practically in the middle of the tunnel.
Oh, his hair's blue.
Oh my god. He sounds so good. Oh! Those visuals, they all look so good in those outfits.
I'm getting like singing in the rain vibes, you know?
These sound so good.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, he sounds so good.
The voices are really good.
Oh my god.
Please tell me the umbrella choreo is so good.
I know.
So
I love it. Dang!
Oh,
These visuals,
oh my god.
Oh.
Oh!
Everyone else like has their freaking shirt intact and he's just like, woo!
That was so funny.
Damn. The rain makes it look even more like epic, I guess.
Yeah. Oh my god!
Whoa.
Oh.
Damn.
It's actually who's in it? Oh my
Yes.
Yeah.
I really like his dancing.
Dude, his body proportions are amazing.
Oh my god.
God. Oh,
Oh.
Oh, the tear. That's when you know it's emo.
The one tear.
Yeah, just one.
Oh.
Damn. Okay, listen, boy.
Oh,
This was their own.
Damn.
Oh, they look so beautiful.
He just looks like a meme though. Like, all the time.
Yeah.
It's like the Kermit meme.
Yeah.
Like, I can't. But wow, the
No.
visuals are so good.
That was really good. I'm getting their album. That sold it for me.
Damn.
I was just like, okay.
Yep.
Yeah.
That was
Any
really nice.
emo concept, Jennifer will buy it. She
Yep.
will give you her money.
Here you go. It's non-existent, but here you go.
The song is really good too.
Yes.
Oh my god.
But it's like released in the middle of summer, which is like really weird, but still, I appreciate it. I'll
They're
listen
like-
to it all year long.
Oh yeah.
Alright, okay.
Bye, guys.
Bye.